The Shark Stratos is a HEPA upright vacuum with fantastic performance across the board. In our test, it removed 98.9% of all debris across all floor types, removed hair without any tangles, and managed pet hair with ease. It comes in 2 models, each with different set of accessories. These accessories can greatly aid cleaning performance around the house. This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel at YouTube. To test Shark Stratos, we put it through a series of 21 different tests from 6 critical performance categories. For the cleaning test, we measure how well the Shark Stratos is able to clean up messes by putting it against 4 different debris types and 3 different floor types. For each debris and floor type, we use the vacuum on max suction power and give each debris type 1 forward and 1 backward pass. Across the board, the Stratos was able to tackle the cleaning test with ease. We see in all of our vacuum tests to date, the average debris removal score is 91.2%, making the Stratos 7.7% closer to perfection. On hardwood floors, the Stratos had no issues, removing 99.5% of debris by weight from the floor. On average, we see vacuums able to remove 87.1% of debris on hardwood floor. While most vacuums struggle with cereal with an average removal of 70%, the Stratos had 0 issues. There remain incredibly small amounts of kitty litter and sugar, but this performance is still practically perfect. Low power cleaning performance was also fantastic. Across all of our vacuum tests, we see they are able to remove 96.0% of debris on low power carpet. The Shark Stratos is able to remove 99% of debris, leaving only sugar and 1 piece of cereal. High power carpet is where the Stratos struggled the most, but not by much. While most of the debris was picked up quickly, more sugar than we saw on other floor types was left on the floor. On average, we see vacuums able to remove 90.8% of sugar across all of our tests. The Stratos, 95.3%, is better, but not quite perfect. However, this was notably just with the 1 forward and 1 backward pass. With more passes, I'm certain the Stratos would remove the remaining debris. For the long hair test, we check to see how well the Stratos can handle long hair without tangling around the brush roll. To test this, we measure 1 gram of long hair and place it on the hardwood floor. The Shark Stratos more than handled this test. All the hair was removed from the floor and none of the hair tangled in the brush roll. Thanks to the anti-tangle combs installed in the cleaning head, the hair is filtered through in such a way that it avoids tangles. To test how well the Shark Stratos can clean pet hair, we measure 1 gram of pet hair and rub it into high power carpet. Next, we turn the vacuum to the highest suction setting and pass over that pet hair with 1 forward and 1 backward pass. After cleaning with the Shark Stratos, we then measure the remaining hair left in the carpet. After cleaning the carpet with the Stratos, we found virtually no pet hair remain in the carpet. There was a small amount, but it was so small that it was barely visible. If your dog or cat sheds a lot, the Stratos is a fantastic choice for handling fur and hair. Vacuums with higher wind speed can create higher suction power. To measure the wind speed the Shark Stratos generates, we use an anemometer. We place it level next to the extension tube and run the vacuum on each mode, recording the results. When in hardwood floor mode, the Stratos generates the highest wind speed at 7.7 miles per hour. For the sealed system test, we want to determine how well the entire vacuum system is sealed. Vacuums that are properly sealed ensure that dust and debris vacuum stays inside the vacuum. Vacuums that are not properly sealed may spread dust and debris around your home. We set up a fog machine with the output nozzle facing directly toward the vacuum's extension wand. Once the fog machine is primed, we turn the vacuum on the highest suction mode and release short bursts of smoke into the vacuum. We found the Shark Stratos Upright to be completely sealed. This is an excellent performance. Our tests show the Shark Stratos was able to suck in smoke without losing any from the various connecting pieces. To test the noise levels on the Stratos, we ran it on high power carpet in each power mode. While running, we use a sound meter to then measure the level of noise generated by the vacuum. Before starting the test, we also measure the ambient noise level in the room to compare it to. Our test showed the vacuum has a noise range of 73.3 to 74.7 decibels. Each mode generally falls at the same noise level. Here's what it sounds like on each mode. Usability for the Shark Stratos is fantastic across the board. Setup is fairly easy, the controls are incredibly simple, and maintenance is straightforward. Depending on the version you get of the Stratos, there are a lot of items in the box, some of which include an anti-allergen dust brush and multi-angled brush tool. Setup for one person takes between 10 to 20 minutes as the vacuum does not come put together out of the box. Controls are incredibly simple for the Stratos. There's a button on the handle to turn the vacuum on or off. In addition, there is a 3-setting switch to toggle between the different modes of the Stratos. Instead of using low, medium, and high, Stratos labeled the modes based on which floor type they would best fit: hardwood, low-pile carpet, and thick carpet. Additionally, there are also various levers and buttons located across the vacuum to help detach various parts as needed. There are a few maintenance tasks required to keep the Stratos running like new. First and foremost, you need to empty the dustbin as it fills. This can be done easily thanks to the buttons to remove the dustbin from the vacuum and quickly open the bottom of the bin to empty out. Additionally, you'll need to clean the HEPA and pre-motor filters. The pre-motor filters can be washed, dried, and replaced every 2.5 years according to Shark. Shark also recommends replacing the HEPA filter every 3 years, and that filter is not washable. In terms of accessories, there is a lot to choose from with the Shark Stratos. As with other vacuums, there is a crevice tool and duster crevice tool for cleaning along edges. For more robust dusting, you can use the multi-angle or anti-allergen dust brush. They both can be rotated, with the multi-angle having more rotational options and the anti-allergen having finer bristles for finer dust and allergy particulates. When cleaning cars or couches, you can attach the upholstery tool, which is always nice to have. Furthermore, Shark also includes their pet power brush. This brush is designed to avoid hair tangles. In our testing, we found it worked quite well. However, the standard Duo Clean cleaning head manages long hair as well. To clean under areas like sofas or beds, you can use the Under Appliance wand, which has an extended reach for those hard-to-get places. Finally, Shark included odor cartridges which install into the cleaning head of the vacuum. These help neutralize unwanted odors that can be created while vacuuming and replace it with something more pleasant. Size and weight of the Shark Stratos matches what we see on other upright vacuums on the market. It can lay low to the ground and stands fairly tall. In addition, you have a 30-foot cord that offers a good amount of maneuverability while cleaning. With the Shark Stratos, there are two versions, the standard and the truepet version, which we have here. While the vacuums have a different color, they are functionally identical. The difference between the models lies in the included accessories. The standard Shark Stratos comes with your standard set of accessories, which are suitable to most cleaning situations. The truepet version includes these same accessories plus some additional attachments specifically for removing pet hair. I would recommend the Shark Stratos Upright if you're looking for a powerful upright with fantastic cleaning performance. Across all of our tests, it removed 98.9% of all debris. In addition, it managed long hair and pet hair well, removing it from the floor and avoiding tangles. In addition, it's a highly modular device that includes multiple helpful attachments. These attachments increase the flexibility of how and where you can clean, giving you the extra reach where you need it. Overall, the Shark Stratos is a fantastic upright, so much so that it made our best upright for 2023 list. If you need a high-performance upright, this is a great choice. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes below. If you're interested in buying the Stratos, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.